welcome to my channel, The Art Chick. And this is a very long process. It's a paint pour, then a geode, and I resin it. And you have to wait about 3 weeks for the paint to dry after you do it this way. So I hope you enjoy it.
Hey, I try my best to talk to you, tell you about the things I like to do. You know your smile is lighting up the room, up the room. Do you always look this beautiful? Can I kiss you when the night is through? Because right now it's all I wanna do, wanna do. Your lipstick left a mark on my cheek, so I keep thinking of you. Whoa, you wanna do it again, you wanna do it again sometime. Whoa, can I see you again, can I see you again sometime? If you'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do it again, again sometime. I wanna hear your voice over the phone. Can I call you when I get back home, so we can talk about you and I, you and I. Or can you tell me what you wanna do? I'll do anything you ask me to, as long as I can spend the day with you, day with you. Lipstick left a mark on my cheek, so I keep thinking of you. Whoa, you wanna do it again, you wanna do it again sometime. Whoa, can I see you again, can I see you again sometime? If you'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do it again, do it again sometime. Ooh, I just can't stop thinking of you. Sometime. Whoa, can I see you again? Can I see you again sometime? If you'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? Oh, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime?
All right, let's take a second and look at this dried piece. There's some very strange things right here. So let me try to get closer. So I think it's little pieces of the paint, and then that stayed there, and then this was still moving off the canvas a little bit, and it did those, which there's some really good parts though. This texture here is cool. This end. But I'm not gonna worry about this. I'm just gonna keep it in mind. Next time if I see it and it's not dried and it's just there, I can pick them out. I'm going to probably take tweezers. Try to dig them off a little bit. And then this is going to be a geode anyways. The resin's going to go all over here. And I'm just going to place the stones in a place where that is to cover it. It's okay. You can make mistakes, but just try to figure out a good way to fix them. Here's another really strange one. But overall, I mean, it does look cool. Good start. So now I'm going to do the resin. Well, pick off these pieces and then do the resin and then put the glass on there. And so I have a level here. It's just a nice small one. I put it right in the middle. And I've been messing with it a lot, and it's almost exact. I can't get it totally. I don't know why. But this is a very large canvas, so maybe is part of the reason. But it's going to be a thin coat of epoxy, so I'm not too worried about it running off. I just have to be careful that it is a thin coat, which that's just about right. Anyways, I'm going to begin. Today I'm using Total Boat. I have these mixers here, and I've used their other products, but this is the first time I'm going to use their epoxy. I'm really excited about it. All right, let me mix it and then we'll begin. 1 quart container, 1:1 volume for this epoxy. And I'm using the clear epoxy coating for bars and tabletops. So I'm going to fill it up to 4 with one and 4 with the other one, while leaving this in here, and then pour the other one, mix them together. Not dump it out. Gonna go up to the 4 with one, gonna go up to the 4 with the other one. And then have another container set by after I mix for 3 minutes, pour it into this, and then mix again for 3 more minutes. Also, when I take my tops off, now, I can't remember, I heard it on another video, and I think it's a great tip. Part A. That way, I won't get my tops mixed up and not be able to get them off.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
When I shut my feelings down, you look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. 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 We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had.